Hi. Say hi na din. Uwi na kami. We're going to check some balloon sa National Bookstore. Say hi na. Hi ka na.
Balloon?
I know. Tingin lang kami ng balloon. And then okay na. Oh, shit. Pag nakapasok sa National Bookstore, nagbo-book siya. Go check some books. Books. Let's go. Let's go. Here. Come here.
No.
Why? No. Look, let's check some balloon. Let's go. Here's balloon and books. Yay! And excited. Excited ang baby. Come on. Yeah.
No.
No book? What about balloon? You want some balloon? Hmm? Let's check some balloon. Oh, there. Your book. Go check some books. Oh, here. You want this one? Oh, this one na lang. Oh, new. Unicorn. Put it back. Okay. Maybe there's a stars. You don't want this one? What about this one? Oh, this one. Oops. Yeah.
29 dati daraktel. 25 dati babakil.
Oh, sige.
Balloon?
Nag-iingay ka sa balloon. Sila lang bata na nagsabi.
Balloon?
Pero walang story na yan. Ito. Meron sila kaso unicorn.
Balloon?
Tingnan mo, unicorn ang meron.
Balloon?
You go to Amma.
Come.
Let Amma blow it.
Saan nyo ito kinuha? No, open, yun no. Come, pahingi ako isa. Here. Just open this one.
Balloon? Balloon?
Let's go, Dylan. Look, Dylan, yung book.
The cars.
Things that go. Speedy dance, but things in the year. You want the rain shininess down on the year. Everyone's race. Look at me shine. Nobody else can be brighter all down the track. The edge is the best. It's shiny and black. Zoom, zoom. Goes plain as it flies, way up high. Watch my gold wings as they gleam in the sky.
Balloon?
Hindi ko naman nakikita. Look, Dylan.
Balloon?
Put it back, Bobby. It's dirty.
Balloon?
Meron na dito, meron na.
Balloon?
Yeah, oh yeah, it's a book, baby. Gusto mo book?
Balloon?
Pero hindi tayo makatingin ng
Ano?
ibang books na maganda.
Balloon?
Mahal naman ito.
Balik mo na doon, huwag na pa eh.
Balloon?
You want this o yung isa lang? Wala yung kagaya na binigay.
Balloon?
Tingnan mo. Maganda rin? O yung monkey. Dylan, do you want this one? Yes or no? You want this or no? Baka kasi masira niya ito eh, no?
Balloon? Ate? Ate?
open. No.
Kita pa yun. Kita ba tayo gato? Nangal-alo ni po yan.
Ito pala mga maliit. Ganito.
Ape.
No, we have something like this in the house.
Balon.
Yeah, for balloon. Pick it up, babe. Pick it up. Dylan. Shapoy. Shapoy. Pick up the book. Pick it up. Pick up the book. Give it to Ama.
Wala na isang ganito.
Ama daw, dati natin nagmunga book.
Kaso pang unicorn. Okay lang to? Okay lang to? Wala, ice cream.
Agkat kan tulat ato.
Ano kukunin ko? Yung ano? Girl, okay lang?
Stop.
Ha?
Stop.
Saka,
Stop.
maganda sana.
Stop.
Ay, dilog makabuong.
Uy, Dilan. Ito naman. Apat pala yun. Ito na lang.
Pagpilim niya po eh.
Dilan, which one you want? Duck or dino? Dilan. Dilan, duck or dino? Okay. Oh, let's go na.